This video is only for education and information purpose. Don't purchase any product without making proper research. Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you some information like about this product. The product name is GlycoFix. So GlycoFix, after watching my video you don't need to watch any other video. I am betting you, okay? So first of all I want to show you something. Like as you can see on your screen, the product is only in $49. So and as you can see on your screen, this product is also available on different websites, or you can see the official website. The cost of the one bottle is approx like $69. So there is a very big difference in the price point, okay? So how is this possible? Now come to the second point. What is the use of the product? As you can see, this product is used for like men performance, and if you have any kind of, you can say, sexual desire, lack of sexual desire, and if you have any kind of, you can say, strength, lack in your body immunity and lack in your body strength, so then you can use these kind of product, okay? Now come to the main point. Is this product really worthy for you or not? So my dear friends, I want to inform you only one thing. When you see any kind of image related to this kind of image, okay, so as you can see, this is the working model of, you can say, like affiliate product. And when you purchase this kind of product, only the price point, or you can say the presentation of the product is looking like the same, it means the product is definitely you can say affiliate product. And the link where you have purchased the product, the link provider is getting highly commissions. Like when you purchase the product is like $294, they will get highly commissions like $160 to $175 commissions, okay? So this is the working model of this kind of product. Now come to the main point. You should purchase or not. So my dear friends, I want to inform you, like when you are going to purchase this kind of product, I can bet you are not going to get any kind of results after consuming product. There is no guarantee about the result, you will get the results or not, okay? So you should save your hard-earned money. Don't invest any money in these kind of products, and after consuming product there is no guarantee about the results, and maybe you will face some kind of side effects in future, because there is no such type of clinical trials available, or you can say the proof of clinical trials is also not available. So you cannot trust the product which is related to your health, okay? So you need to be very careful before purchasing any kind of product which is related to your health, okay? So if you have any kind of experience with this product, you can make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people, and your comment will helpful for who want to purchase the product. And this is my information for you. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do, okay? So if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.